That's it. Right. Item 4.1. Right. Mr. Lewis, welcome.
Good afternoon, dear councillors. I have a report here for the update of the traffic control bylaw. Ordinarily, Fred would consider these matters. Will relate to updating either traffic signs or traffic markings in a number of streets in Taupo. I'll take the item as read and try and answer any questions.
I'm waiting for the mayor to catch my eye.
Yep, just so through the chair, on page 15 with the diagram of Runanga Street, I'm just trying to get my bearings. I gather at the bottom of the page where there's cars sort of parked that way and that way, is that Taupo Toyota?
Yes.
So 8 and 9's quality print, is that right?
I'm not that familiar with that.
Yes,
right, thank you.
Yeah, I think that'll be all right.
Thanks.
Yeah. Madam Chair?
Yes.
So just one question in regards to that Runanga Street, which has just been mentioned, both the document on page 11 and on page 12 mention the number 10 to 16. Just below page 12's, if you like, graph of the areas that we're talking about, it talks about 8 to 16 Runanga Street. So is 8 included in that yellow line, or the line?
No, the yellow line extends from, I'm not sure, it doesn't have a number on the plan there, but it's next to 8 and 10. It just doesn't have a street address.
Well, I was just wondering whether it included the property of number 8, which is one of those that apparently have received numerous complaints, whether it included number 8.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't, thank you.
Any further questions on the item?
Just one question through the chair, thank you, to Mr. Lewis. The cafe that's in Runanga Street, have you talked to them as well about what the implications of this parking may mean on their business?
I haven't personally, but my staff have been speaking to those properties that were affected, yes.
So all of them, okay, thank you, not just the ones that had issues.
All.
Thank you.
Any other questions about any of the other areas in question? Okay, do we have a mover on the motion? Thank you, Councillor Cousins. Seconder, Jollins, thank you. All those in favour? Aye. Carried.